The today vlog will be about tech review about this thing. So let's talk about it. Alright, so why I buried this thing? In this box there is a bunch of lens for my phone. When I move and I'm outside, I want some time to take a photo, to take a time lapse, because I found the scene really interesting and I want to capture it. But the only thing I have is this, my phone. The problem with my phone is that when you look at this, the angle of the camera is really narrow, and in fact it seemed like the photo is really, you know, in a box, in fact. So it's a little bit annoying, you know. And I made some research on Google and I found that it's possible to improve the angle of the camera, which is, I found really interesting. So yeah, it's a tech review. So this is not the first time I open the box and I put the, the documentation in the trash, so there is a little bit of documentation around the box, but you know, I'm sorry. Alright, so the first question you can ask yourself if you are in my situation is if it will work with your phone. In my case, my phone is a Huawei P10, I think, but I'm not sure. I will put this in the subtitle right there. But if you have this kind of phone with two lenses here, you can ask yourself if you will be able to clip this thing to your lens, because it works like this. So the answer to that is yes, it works for this phone. I don't know for the other phone, but it works for this one. Or at least it worked for me. So this is good news if you have a Huawei. Alright, so now let's test all this little thing. Alright, so the first lens I will try to use is this one. Unfortunately, I don't really know what's the goal of this lens, because as you can see, I think you see, as you can see, there is no difference. So, so I think this lens, it's called the CPL lens. Oh, it works. In fact, you just need to remove it like this. Take the other lens and clip it. Not really clip, but I don't. This is not drill. This is, you know, tight. Maybe yes, it's tight. I think the word. This is the macro lens, and you will see the result right now. So this is with the macro lens, and if I remove it, yep. So as you can see, it's really interesting if you want to have a better view of what is happening. So that work. It is working, and there is no border around, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we are going to try the fish eyes. To be honest, I didn't try the fisheye for the moment. Alright. So you have this. So if you want to add some effect to your video, it could be interesting, but in my case I don't know if I will use this, but why not? But it worked, and it worked really well. We will try this one now. This is the Kaleidoscope lens. I don't know what is the purpose of this thing, but we will try now. You see that? Alright, so if you move the lens, you can add some strange effect to your video or photo. So I don't know if I will use this, but you know, it's interesting. And it works, so pretty good. So we're gonna try this one. Telephoto lens. So this is the lens telephoto, and I don't really know what is the aim of this. I think it's for the zoom. You have this thing around, so this is not really cool. And if I remove this, up, yes. So it's a kind of zoom. Not really, you know. I will show you the flow filter. It's not matched really well with my phone. As you can see, there is also the border here, so maybe it can work with your one, but not with mine. So, but this is interesting because there is a kind of blur around. I don't know if it could be interesting, but yeah, you can blur around. Alright, so I'm gonna try to show you the star filter lens. Yep. In fact, I cannot show you because you need to take a photo by night. You take a photo by night and you improve the lights of you know, the building, kind of stuff like this, and it kind of pop up this light a little bit. I will try to put some picture after in order to have a better understanding of what you can have, but you know, like this. The only thing I can say for the moment is that it's not really much with my screen, because I think it's a Huawei and there is two lens, and this is maybe the reason, I don't know, but in my case it's not really good. I don't know if I can do better, but yeah. So now the last one, but not the least, the reason why I bought this pack. This is the wide angle lens, and in fact it's composed by two lenses, a macro lens and a wide angle. So it's really cool, in fact, and I will show you that now. So as you can see, there is no border around, so this is pretty cool. You can have a better vision, it is a wide angle, of the scene. And I think we don't see it really much here, but look at this. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Alright, so this is the end of this tech review. I hope you liked it. This is the first one. I hope this is not the last. But yeah, it was interesting to do. What I can say, this pack of lens is really interesting, but I think it could work a little bit better with another phone because of, you know, there's two camera. But this thing, the wide angle, it's really good because if I want to take some time lapse or kind of stuff like this. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you really soon. Have a good day et à bientôt.
Yummy.
It's good.
How are you doing? I'm like, look at my face.
We are currently playing King Domino.
King Domino.
I don't know if you know.
Domino. Yeah. With some cheese.
Yes.
And
this is the most important part of the game.
yeah, of the game. Show us your castle.
Hi, my castle is here, and this is the most beautiful castle of the world. After the You won.
After mine. Steve, score.
Yes.
And now mine.
Where? The suspense is here.
I don't remember yours.
Me neither. We're gonna watch the video.
I think you will, no?
I don't I was focused on the camera and I don't... Oh,
So we have to see.
We're gonna see what...
No,
We are so tired, it's so bad.
I'm gonna show you Steve Castle, so a lot of forest. As you
My
can
kingdom,
see.
in fact.
Yeah, your kingdom. And kingdom, you know, yeah. So, a lot of forest, as you can see.
Yes, I'm a man from of the forest.
And a fisherman.
I'm Tarzan. Yes.
You're the fisherman. Yeah, so.
And now your kingdom.
I'm not the same
The
strategy.
winner kingdom.
Yeah, not the same strategy. A little bit of water.
Some dragon, as you can see.
And a lot of goats.
Yes. You are... you like the... I don't know how to say that. It's marécage in French,
Yeah,
but I don't know the word in English.
Yeah.